Hey everybody, I'm here today with a video on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. In this video today, I'll be showing you and telling you how to monitor your sleep on your Galaxy Watch 4. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is great for monitoring your sleep, and it's really easy to set up. There's essentially one necessary step that you have to do on the watch, and then one optional step, which I would highly recommend that you have to do on your connected phone. So let's go over those steps. We're going to start off by clicking the side button to bring up the main watch screen. Then we're going to swipe left to open up our tiles, and we are going to go until we see the sleep option. So it tells you to get more sleep insights by measuring your blood oxygen and snoring as you sleep. Those are the two key factors: your blood oxygen as you sleep and snoring. Okay, so the two things that you need to do are turn on your blood oxygen measurement while you sleep and snore sensor while you sleep. So from this screen right here, if I swipe upwards, okay, we'll try that again. Swipe upwards. Well, try that one more time. I'm used to using this finger right here. If I swipe upwards, or tap it, I guess. Sorry about that. I do apologize. I was saying swipe upwards, but I should have tapped it first. Now I can swipe upwards. It's telling me I can turn on my blood oxygen during sleep in settings. So you can actually go to the settings app manually and turn it on, or I can just tap this button right here. If I tap this button right here, it's actually going to take me to the specific page in the settings app that will allow me to turn on my blood oxygen measurement. So if I scroll down, it says blood oxygen during sleep. We want to turn that on. It's currently set to off, so we want to turn it on, okay? And it's just telling you it can cause a light to flash at the back of your watch, but you're going to be wearing it anyways, which I'll go over in a moment. So we're going to turn that on, just like that. Very simple, okay? And then we're going to go back, just like that, okay? And then we can also turn on, and we should turn on, our snore detection on your associated phone. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into the associated phone, go into your Samsung Health app on your phone, and then you're going to make your way to the snore detection option and turn it on. I'm not going to go over that right now because I don't have everything set up on this phone properly right now, but you want to turn that on as well, okay? But the main one is definitely the blood oxygen, and I would recommend you turn on snore detection as well, and that is done through the Samsung Health app on your phone, like I said earlier, okay? I apologize about the sound. I'm literally right beside the main pipe, the main drain pipe of the house, so every time like a toilet flushes or someone uses a faucet, you're going to hear that sound. So anyways, what you're going to do essentially is you're going to keep once you've turned those settings on, you're going to keep your watch on while you're sleeping. So you're going to go ahead and put your watch on, and you're going to keep it on as you sleep. That's the key factor here, because you want it to be measuring constantly as you sleep. So keep your watch on as you sleep. It's going to measure your blood oxygen levels throughout your sleep, and your phone is going to measure your snoring. Okay, so you want to keep your phone nearby for a few reasons. You want it to measure your snoring, and you want it to connect and communicate with your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So you need to have your phone and your watch on, okay? Your watch needs to be on your wrist, your phone needs to be turned on, and they need to be nearby you. So the phone needs to be nearby your watch because your watch is on your wrist. And then once you're done your sleep, okay, you'll be able to see your sleep stats, which is really, really cool. And you can use those sleep stats to judge how long you slept, your blood oxygen levels, and how well you've slept. Because it's not only about the number of hours of sleeping, it's also about your quality of sleep. I only sleep about 6 hours a night. My wife and I have 4 young kids. So, you know, sleep is like, when we get our sleep, we're very, very happy. And 6 hours is probably about average, but those 6 hours are high quality sleeping hours. So I feel great when I wake up, okay? As you can see right now, it's like 12:45 in the morning, and I'm filming these videos, and I'm pumped up. I'm still juiced up from the rest of the day, and I've been up since 5:30. So just so you know, monitoring your sleep is important. The better quality sleep you get, the better your day will be. It's as simple as that. So that's how to monitor your sleep with a Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.